We're back after a little break. It was the Christmas holidays and all that stuff, and so I took a little bit of time off. Anyway, it is today the 23rd of January 2025, and we're back in action. And one of the first things I want to take a look at is this cute little gift I got over the festive season. It is a IQEE or IQEE keychain collection, and it is a Mark FAIRWHALE. I can't remember what these little things are called, but it's super cute. And I mean, I guess you're supposed to keep it in the box, but I want to take a closer look. So we've got 2.5 inch QEE or QEE FAIRWHALE, right? Arc station. I think it could be one of these little vending machine situations. But yeah, authentic TOY2R.com. It's really cute, and I know they're supposed to stay in the box, but I can't help myself. So let's take a look. I'm going to use just my fingers here, no knives, and get this open. Oh, I'm sorry. And here it comes. Hey, look at that, it's up. Oh wow, okay. Nicely sealed. It comes out the box. Oh, okay, and there's the keychain attachment. It has what looks like a gear link, you know, from a motorcycle chain or something. We'll stick that on later. And we remove the plastic, and wow, it's really in there. So that's one layer. Oh, 2 layers. And here it comes. It's a cat. It is some kind of a silver and white cat. It's got some writing on it. Does it move? No, okay, I'm not going to force it. I don't want to break it. His legs move a little. And 2007 Mark FAIRWHALE. Okay, so it's not new. 2007, got a bit of time on it, but really, really cute. It moves a little. I don't want to force it too much, but isn't that just the super cutest thing you have seen in forever? I'm going to put this keychain on there. I'm going to unzip that. Oh, come on. There we go, if it wants to come. Okay, and there comes the keychain. And according to the box, you're supposed to decapitate this dude and then stick it. That's a bit kinky. Let's see here. Alright, I'm so sorry, little man. Oh, no ways. His head pops off. That's crazy. And you stick the sprocket around his neck. Oh man, this is kind of weird, I won't lie. And back in it goes. Come on. Oh, it's quite tight, but I suppose it's so you don't lose it. And we twist his head right back, and there it is. Mark FAIRWHALE key. Oh, I get it, key, because it's a keychain. Ah, funny. A Mark FAIRWHALE keychain. Isn't that just so cool? Yeah, guys. And so we'll start with that funny little toy. Looks like I've lynched a white cat, which is very strange. I promise I'm not really like that. But yeah, folks, a lot of packaging for that one, but I think it was worth it in the end. That's a really cute thing. I don't think I'll put it on my keychain. It'll get all scratched and buffed out. Going to end up putting it back in the box and sticking it back on the shelf where it came from. But yeah, Mark FAIRWHALE keychain. Isn't that cool? Right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll have some more stuff up for you in a couple of days, hopefully sooner than that. All right, see you later. Cheers.